more opportunities in Freeling, and let's check out this great cafe. Go check it out inside. And beautifully fit out inside. Beautifully done. This is a lovely shop you've got here.
Thank you.
Is this a good reason for people to come and live in Freeling?
It is. Very good reason.
Now, the last time I was in Freeling, there wasn't a beautiful shop like this.
No, coffee shop, we're only 8 months old, so
Wow.
yeah, very new to town.
And you've got some good stuff here too.
We do. We make lots of cookies, we supply other cafes and businesses.
Wow, I'm hungry. So if you come out to Freeling, you're going to enjoy these coffee fixes every day. And what are we making?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino, nice, nice. Where's your coffee bean from?
From Rio, which is an Adelaide-based bean.
Okay. Well, that looks good, doesn't it? So there it is. That is a Freeling special.
Freeling cappuccino.
And I hear this place is pretty busy a lot of the time.
Very busy. So, yeah.
And what inspired you to start in Freeling?
I live here, and we've had our business going for about 4 years now, from running from home, the cookie business, and yeah, it's got a bit too big, so we're here.
Wow, it's really good. We appreciate what you've done.
Thank you.
So check it out, another great asset, another great benefit of living in Freeling. Fantastic. Thanks.
No worries.